Out of all the godly creations, nature is the most amazing masterwork. Nature is that godly gift to mankind which is indispensable for the human life. But today, all the natural resources are depleting for making our needs. Therefore, on the occasion of World Environment Day, Brahmakumaris Godlywood Studio presents an online event on the theme Need of Ecosystem Restoration in the Times of Pandemic, featuring nature-loving, renowned celebrities from all over the world and spiritual world who will share with us simple ways to protect our Mother Nature. So stay tuned with us, Saturday 5th June 2021, morning 10 a.m. only on Peace of Mind channel and Om Shanti channel.